Hello everyone. Welcome to our new video series where we're moving away from the interview type of videos and going towards more specific videos that will help you in your medical school journey. This video will tell you how to increase your typing speed from 30 words per minute to 100 words per minute in 20 days.
So let's start with our story. We are very slow typers, and because of that, we struggle to finish timed assignments, and we're extremely slow whenever something involved typing. We knew we had to do something about it and created this program. After our words per minute increased, we could finish tasks in half the time, and it just made so many things easier to do. We're sure it'll help you these tips will help you get to your target typing speed and create a drastic impact on your academic career.
So as we mentioned in the last slide, typing can impact your academic career tremendously. Firstly, most assignments in the virtual age are online, and we rarely have to write anything down on the paper. So increasing your speed will make sure you don't have to spend your precious time on unnecessary typing. Next, some tests like the CASPer are infamous for having extremely limited times for typing out questions, so it's imperative to have a high typing speed to do well. Lastly, with exams being virtual, a higher typing speed might make sure you finish your short answer or long answer questions on time, which will lead to a higher GPA.
Let's now talk about keyboards. There are two main types. There's mechanical keyboards and then there's normal non-mechanical keyboards. You should test both types out and determine which one works for you. In my opinion, mechanical keyboards allow me to type much faster, even though they make some noise, depending on the type of switch being used. However, for some people, it would be smarter to use something like an Apple Magic keyboard to maximize typing speed. Choose what works for you and stick with it. If you keep changing, it might negatively impact your typing speed.
People often disregard keyboard shortcuts, but they're essential for increasing your typing speed. Instead of pressing backspace multiple times and wasting time, press Option and backspace on Mac and Control and backspace on Windows to delete an entire word. This cuts out a lot of time wasted and increases your speed at the same time. Another cool shortcut is pressing Command and backspace to delete an entire line. There are many other shortcuts out there online that you can look up in your own time, so make sure you integrate them into your typing lineup so you can enhance your speed.
You were probably told this tip over and over again by your parents and teachers, but it works. Don't look at the keyboard when you're typing because it wastes so much time, and you just need to get used to looking at the screen and typing the words you want. Eventually, you'll understand that this will be an easier method for you to use in the future. This will take some practice, but it'll definitely pay off in the long run. Trust us.
This may seem obvious, but it is very, very important to practice as much as possible. When I was trying to increase my typing speed, I practiced only 10 minutes a day for 20 days, and my speed jumped from 30 words per minute to 100 words per minute. 10 minutes. Everyone can do that, so make sure you stick with it and maintain consistency. Some websites you can practice on are 10 Fast Fingers, Key Hero, and Typing Test. My personal favorite is 10 Fast Fingers because it is simple and very easy to start. Tell us down in the comments which one you find the most useful.
And that brings us to the end of the video. And we think that if you use all the tips and tricks we taught you, you'll definitely increase your speed by a great amount. Thank you for your time, and please like and subscribe if you found the information helpful.